Hi, my name is Juan Carlos Grisales Meneses. I live in Barbosa, Antioquia. I work as a supervisor in a company in Medellin. I like to ride my bicycle in my free time. This photograph was taken in Guatapé. Guatapé is a small town in Antioquia. It has many places to visit and it is known for the Penguin Rock. Many people go there to visit the town that is very colorful and peaceful. The vendor in Guatapé is cool in the morning and in the afternoon in hot. The houses like we see in the picture are very old and colorful. I you will go visit soon. Bye. Thank you.